Rearview mirror. Hi guys, today, we reviewed the best Jansite car DVR stream media dash camera dual lens video recorder rearview mirror in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. For price and details please check the description below. If you have any other recommendations you can let us know by leaving a comment. Jansite 10-inch touchscreen 1080p car DVR stream media dash camera dual lens video recorder rearview mirror 1080p backup camera. Features of this product. Brand name, Jansite. Assembly mode, rearview mirror chipset manufacturer, Al frames per second, 30 display, IPS memory card required reading speed, class 10 GPS logger. Non-pixels, 1200 mega special features, G-sensor special features, motion detection special features, recording special features, SD, MMC card special features, time and date display special features, microphone special features, LED display special features, with rear-view mirror special features, night vision special features, dual lens special features, anti-surge voltage impact special features, anti-vibration special features, real-time surveillance special features, cyclic recording special features, automatic white balance special features, LED light item type, card screen ratio, 16:9 touch screen, yes view angle, 150 degrees 160 degrees battery life, need connect power battery, built-in display size, 10 inches language, Chinese, simplified OSD language, Chinese, traditional OSD language, English OSD language, French OSD language, German OSD language, Italian OSD language, Russia OSD language, Russian OSD language, Spanish rear camera, yes video format, AVIA original package, yes interface, USB 2.0 imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD number of lenses, 2 max external memory, 64 video code, camera resolution, 1920 by 1080 display size, 10 inches touchscreen function 1, G-sensor function 2, cycle recording function 3, night vision loop record, overwrite the old file automatically 29 rear camera, 1080p important tips on the TF card car camera HD 1080p video recording. The high demand in the TF card. In order to ensure the normal use of the DVR, you need a TF card with a high read and write speed. C10 high-speed card recommended. You must ensure that the TF card is good. If you use low-quality TF card, the camera may not work properly. Our DVR support up to 128 GSD cards and can store more video streaming media DVR mirror. The streaming rear view mirror uses full screen instead of the original viewing mirror. The rear image of the vehicle is displayed on the screen in real time through the camera. Compared with the rear view mirror, it is less affected by bad weather and has a clear view. Full screen display and 3x rear view to expand the driver's field of vision. Keep your driving safe. Screen viewing angle adjustable. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. Gently swipe to switch views. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views, front view, rear view, front and rear view. 10-inch full view screen, 10-inch full view touch screen with 2.5D curved glass mirror. Clear and smooth images are delivered without delay, and the color is more expressive. 6 optical glass lenses, 6 layers of an optical lens, intelligent anti-shake, capture high-quality screen. Front camera design. With this thoughtful Jansite front lens design, you no longer have to worry about the rain sensor touching the DVR's field of view. 170-degree wide angle. With a 170-degree wide angle lens, the camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. This camera has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. Support night vision function using a large aperture night vision lens, while the camera chip built-in night vision processing function. Automatic reverse safety parking. When the car is reversing, the device automatically switches to the rear camera image view through a 10-inch full mirror screen. It comes with high-quality images that help identify important details such as license plates, driver movements and road functions that may prove your innocence. Loop recording automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, such as car accidents, thus protecting your high-quality recordings 24 hours. Parking monitor. If DVR be shocked by any external forces like a thief while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Warm reminder, it should be used with power cable, so this is the very good option for you. Check the description for price and details. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.